Hello designer friends, today you are going to see the process of making a logo using an infinity symbol. I will make this infinity symbol using two letters. One of them is the letter D and the next one is the letter P. I will cover everything you need to know to make an infinity logo. I am Atiqur Rahman, a brand identity designer. Okay, let's get started. Every time I start with a new artboard, 3000 pixel by 3000 pixel. Let's start with this. Okay, let's select rectangular tool and click anywhere of the artboard and create a rectangular shape 100 pixel by 100 pixel. We don't need the fill color, so we turned off it, and we need only the stroke color, and the stroke thickness is 10 pixel. 10 pixel is okay. I will convert this shape into an infinity symbol, so let's rotate it 45 degree and select direct selection tool. Just select the three corner and drag the corner as much as you can. It is one part of our infinity symbol. Let's make a reflected copy of it. So we go to reflect tool and click here, make sure the angle is 90 degree and click copy. Okay, now zoom it in and hold and drag new one by holding shift. Okay, you can see there are too many gaps between the two corner. We will place these exactly in over the corner of this one. So let's click Ctrl Y to get outline mode and zoom it and make sure they are aligned center. Okay, press and hold the shift and drag it. Okay, I need help of the guide, so press Ctrl R to bring the guidelines. Okay, now just select the two and align left. Okay, we are done. Let's go back by again Ctrl Y. This is our initial infinity shape. Let's keep a copy of it. We will do further with this one. Let's increase the stroke point to 20, no 30. Okay, 30 is okay. Okay, let's go with this one. Now select one part, go to pen tool, add anchor point tool and click to add an anchor point and one with and same to the next. Okay, now go to direct selection tool and just drag here. Be careful, we just select the line, not the anchor point. Select the line and press delete. Same here, just select the line, not the anchor point. You can see if you accidentally press to the anchor point, you can see the blue, whole blue, and if you press delete then the anchor point will be deleted. So we should click and drag inside between the two anchor point so that we can select just the lines. Press delete and now it is our infinity symbol, and just add these two anchor point, select the two, press Ctrl and J. We are done. Let's remove this extra anchor point. So go to pen tool and delete anchor point tool. Just click here and there are no extra anchor point. Okay, we are done. This part is going to be the letter D and this part will be the letter P. So we will keep another copy of it. Okay, let's draw the straight handle of the letter D. Select pen tool. Don't worry about the height and weight, we will fix it later, and click alter and drag to make a copy, exact copy of this. Okay, let's place it right place, and this one also. Make sure to align them properly. Select the two and press Ctrl Z to make a group, and you can see the two are in a group, and select all, align whole center. Okay, now our infinity symbol and the letter DP is almost done. Okay, let's go to object, expand appearance. Okay, and we are about to go. The gaps here aren't very visible. If you make this logo smaller, it is hard to see, to find the gap, so we should increase the gap. For this I will use pen tool to draw a rectangular shape exactly according to the thickness, and okay, select it, go to object, path, offset path, and increase it to 15 pixel. Okay, as the lines are 30 pixel wide. Okay, select all, just select shape builder tool, hold alter and click and drag all the way you want to delete, and same here. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, let's fix this corner. Let's zoom it, and again same here, and same here. Okay, let's check the visibility, make it smaller. Okay, now it looks good. We are all set to go with. Let's merge all and delete extra anchor points. Okay, we are all set to go. Here is our logo. Let's fix the height and weight to make it perfect. Let's set the weight to 50. Okay, height should be 200 pixel. Okay, let's make a rectangle with 200 pixel height, and select all, align center, and just click intersect. Okay, here is our logo. It is the letter D, it is the letter P, and at the same time it is an infinity symbol. Next time I will make some images for presentation. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.